How do I know if my signature care system, that's like your care methodology, is truly different enough to stand out in the age of AI? Here's the deal. Your clinical methodology is the process, your unique process that you bring to delivering an outcome inside of clinical care. And to be honest, where AI can amplify this is in maximizing your ability to communicate with your patients, in marketing your signature care system. You aren't competing with AI when you deliver a strategy. In fact, delivering a strategy in the age of AI is the only way to differentiate yourself. Where you're going to get lost is if you are still trying to sell information, if you are still packaging access to you as little blocks of time. That's where you're going to run into challenge. AI has made information so accessible for people. It is free for people to be able to access information you used to be paid hundreds of dollars to deliver. If you are already looking at having a signature care system or a methodology, you are well on your way to being able to compete in the landscape of AI, but more importantly, give people incredible value despite the information that AI might be delivering them.